Everyone, look at Daisy. She is together with her grandson, granddaughter, and she seems like miss her baby. Everyone, it's sad for her. Daisy, you okay, Daisy? Daisy, you okay, Daisy? I will give you more food, but not right now, because your grandson, granddaughter is around you. Everyone, look at Daisy's face. Seems like she miss her baby so much. I'm really sad for her, but gonna be okay day by day. She will be happy. I try to come every day and give her more food, more lotus and fruit. But seems like she still miss Dimitri very much. I can't give her food right now because this girl is around Daisy, so she will run Daisy away. Because Daisy is very weak right now. She's not strong enough to take care herself. So I don't want to get Daisy hurt, so we will give them food. I will give Daisy food after this girl leave. She feel like tired, everyone. I'm really sad for Daisy. And said what happened to her. It's very sad. Daisy is not happy, everyone. Everyone, Daisy feel missing her baby. Look at her face. And she also hungry right now. I will give her more fruit and grape to her. And also I have a lot of lotus in my bag. I know Daisy is hungry right now. I will give her lotus, everyone. But not right now. She feel sad and scared of other monkey. So when she alone, I will give to her. Daisy. Tuh Daisy, tak Daisy dia.
Tuh Daisy ya. Tuh bangkai.
Này đâu có băng buông thẳng luôn. Facebook, YouTube po.
YouTube. Nice.
Yung da, tepi po. Everyone look at Daisy. She feel tired and hungry. I know. I will give her fruit right now, but just wait a little bit more. Daisy is tired, everyone. She is tired, but her family is always follow her and run Daisy away. She cannot sleep. I feel bad for Daisy also. Because I stay here with Daisy, that's why they think I have food for Daisy. So other monkey also come and ask for food. You see, Daisy just scared her granddaughter. Daisy, you thinking about your baby, I know. You always miss your baby, Dimitri. Please be strong. Your baby is okay. Your baby is staying in the good place. Don't worry so much, okay? Don't worry too much. Oh my god, I think my English is very bad, everyone. I'm sorry. Sometimes I feel my English, my grammar is very wrong. But I just try to practice, and I want to inform to you guys that Daisy is doing good and she is okay. But she just feel miss her baby. She unhappy. She don't want to join in the group with her family. She just want to be quiet. She just want to be quiet and sleep, take a rest. That is what she want. And also she want to eat as well. She eat a lot. As you can see, her belly, her stomach is big. Daisy, everyone, I would like to inform you again that Daisy is lost her babies. It already 9 days. Dimitri was away from her. I'm really sad for this news. As you can see with the Daisy and her baby, Daisy love her baby very much. But right now she alone, so she feel very sad. I'm really sorry for Daisy. Daisy is always look at the back. She's scared with I'm sorry, she scared each other monkey. Even the small monkey, she also scared. Because her feeling right now is broken heart. She missing her baby. She want her baby back. Sometimes she just calling her baby and cry, asking where is the baby. I think she forgot that her baby was gone sometime. Because her love with her baby is very big heart. I'm really sad feeling when I describe about her. I don't know why. I'm really love animal, everyone. When I see or I watch her activity or her feeling, I feel bad, and sometimes I feel cry as well. I don't know why. And please don't mind me about my English. My English is very bad. I just try to talk. I try to speak. I try to tell you guys about her activity. Daisy is doing okay, everyone. She okay right now, but you can see her belly is more bigger. Some people asking me to do the surgery for her, but I don't know how. It spend a lot, everyone. It's not easy. A lot of spend, and we cannot bring the monkey to the hospital because actually you can bring them, but you have to inform to someone that look after or take care this place. I don't know, but if we want to bring her to hospital, we have to speak to somebody first. We cannot just bring her or bring she back, so it's not okay. We should inform, we should tell who is take care this place or look after this place. Actually, this monkey is in the forest. They are freedom here. Finally, I give her lotus, everyone. Her family is a little bit far from Daisy, so it's good for her for a long time. When they here together, Daisy cannot get the food. Oh my god, she coming back, everyone. Oh no. Hey, you go this. No. Everyone, I just throw the lotus to that side, and that girl is moved over there to pick up the lotus, so it's good for Daisy. Oh,
Bạc mơ mấy con bò xà mà nó bay khứ đó.
dạ. Này, có xong. Em đặt vào đây siêu vui thế này, hả ta? Bàn đây siêu vui êm này.
Lại nó khơi lại.
Nga phê mình tụ.
Cái thô bò.
Ôi, cho bố khơi như này này.
Chút sợ cái màu. Chứ khơi được xóa khám.
Xóa khám bên cạnh.
Mặt khám ấy.
Mấy nhỉ?
Này.
Ồ, thì khám với nhung mà rồi nhung bây giờ đây nó tụ.
Không được.
Hiện cái việc thì anh ấy xa mấy cô kia mà rồi trước nhung cho lôi về tao mình. Phải đây. Chặt vào xa con tí đó á. Mà cả muốn nhung mà sao đăng tình việc thì
Chắc nhầm cặp đàm
dạ.
Bạn bụng làm bài du đang làm bài du việc còn những món muốn áp xá lấy đang video đang xài mà thường dịp lại chẳng hay chỉ ai đừng là thoát để nó sao cho nó xây cho nó trên mặt trời cả thấy nó sáng nào tới trời ok
có bài nó cũng
ít rất bài cọ tất tiền lá cho một lim kia
nhưng mà khi nó thế này tôi đọc bài trực
ở thằng mò này màu được mấy làm play tình nùng cái thằng tôi sắp ở lời liên
chứ mà này thì
cái thay vô hộp sân tay cái chọc ở đây đã vô vậy click luôn à ở lời liên
cái đâu nhưng
ai mình xong về
mình nhiều tại đất nhiều phong phục
như là
rồi tầm mà một cái đấy nồng chia thì
như việc như mình khi làm tu mình vẫn đánh vào cái thế
bà điểm bạn
cũng ít là nhận miền cho đến liền cái lịch con mà thôi đi vô tới là
ngày nó mới về làm buồn
này
buồn bóng đời cái này thì đã bị chìm ra này
xì tràn này xì tràn xoài hòn chụp hòn xào màu hòn lại một cột hòn
anh cái tam pha cái đều đã tốc
rồi cái nữa
hot cái để bỏ bên bỏ khi đặt lan nó cũng phải sụp xuống
ได้แต่ต่อคอลมอนช่องตัว
merubah apaไปเนาะไปเนาะ có đại sĩ có bàn buôn học kỳ rồi buôn học kỳ rồi buôn học kỳ lối dội chuyện để thà đâu cái cá nó không phải như một bèo nó mong cá đá
แต่ลองจุกเลยมีปลาสโลดได้ได้เราเป็นหมดแล้วโรเจดอกปลา
cơ cọ cơ nè sẽ là cái xu rồi ta cũng
បាទទូវាល្បីតែដងmấyទូមកអានគេឃើញបាទលោកចា
thế là tu 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 làm cũng tốt nè